Hello everyone, Sam is here from my forexmagicwave.com, making this quick video about pound news today. Just a few hours ago, pound news came out and pound pairs start to move. As I made a video yesterday about pound index and pound pairs, how they all move at the same time. I just want to show you that this is how they move and this is how I take entries. So let's get started. Let me show you the Forex factory here, the website, and you can see here this today, Monday, September 9, 4:30 in the morning was what? Euro news, and after that, alongside we have pound news, right? Two red news, which came out better, right? 0.1 was expected, 0.3 better than expected. Here, minus 0.3 came out 0.3 better than expected. What do you think is gonna happen to pound? Pound is gonna get strong, right? So this is the pound watching chart, pound index 7-minute chart. Pound was all bearish, right? All of a sudden, this is exactly 4:30. This broker has 4:30, 10:30. That's a time difference. So 10:33, exactly 10:33. This is where the news broke, and this is the level 50-40, big level on pound index. Where it is? Let me show you. 50-40 right there. So we were sitting on there. All of a sudden the pound news came out, pound started getting strong, and we went up like that, right? So after 4:30, another broker where I take the trades here, let's see, this is pound USD 7-minute chart. This is where the news broke. This is 8:30 time, right? And it's a 4-hour difference, so 4:30 to 8:30. 4:30 news broke, 8:30 we were here at that time. Right after that, you had beautiful, this is a beautiful entry here, right? That's one entry only, right? And it went up nice and clean. I could have taken this one, but I didn't because I was sleeping, to be honest with you. All right, so I was today a little late, but still I caught something, so I'm going to show it to you. So now the second pair I want to show you, that pound yen 7-minute chart. Let's take a look at 7-minute chart. Here, this is where the news broke. Look what happened after that. Okay, this is 8:30. We were here, news broke, and this is one entry, second entry, third one. This not move, but you know, at least one entry, and then it went up some pips, right? The next trade, let me show you pound Aussie, my favorite pair. That's what I was, as soon as I woke up, I had that on the screen, so I took that one. Oh, come on, man. Here, okay, this is the entry here. The news broke, see, 8:30 news broke here. After that, this was an entry, right around the corner was an entry. This is the entry, and then all of this entry, and this thing is constantly going to the upside, right? So let me see how far it is now. Right there, right? It may come down, I don't know, but let's see. And I'm expecting Aussie weakness, so that will take it more to the upside. And then pound CAD, take a look at the pound CAD. Let me see, 7-minute chart here. 8:35, 8:30 actually. You know, this is where the news broke, right? This was an entry, by the way, before the news, but that's regardless. You know, you have to wait for the news. Then this is the perfect entry here. Another entry. This is the one I took. So these two, since I was late, I just took these two, and then I says, okay, you know what? I'll relax, and if they go up, that's fine. If not, you know, it's okay. Another day, another chance, another opportunity, always, right? So, but this is how easy it is, that you know, with this system, you just watch the charts, news breaks, and right after that you will see the reaction of the news. You don't have to even read whatever, that if it's better than expected, worse than expected, and if somebody's talking, is it a bullish or bearish or hawkish or dovish. You know, don't have to understand anything. It's just watch the pairs and then open the profile, like, you know, 6 pairs, small charts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you in front of you, and then all of those pairs at the same time after the news, they will move, and in whatever the direction, they'll all give you the entries, and just take the entries. Simple as that. So these are the entries. I hope that we go further to the upside, but the problem is with CAD. The CAD is getting strong, so let's see if it's, it makes the turn. Yeah, I will, so a lot of times that happens, that I make an entry, it goes up a little bit and then comes down, and then take my SL at break even. See, I'm sitting on the break even, so no hard feeling, right? No harm done. But if it has to go down, then it will come down here and give me short entry, and I'll take the short entry, no problem. So this is how it is. So let's see what happened to these trades, and next what the news is, and then we're gonna do the same thing with the other currencies. Simple as that, and nothing else. And then tonight you have Aussie, right? And Aussie will say, and Aussie and the China, they both related to each other, right? So China news bad, Aussie gets hurt, right? China news good, Aussie news gets benefit. So we will take a look at that later on when that happens. So far, pound is in the air. Pound news, pound trades. Let's see what happens. Okay, so this is just wanted to show you guys. This is how you take the entries. Watch the news. Keep ready your charts. Watch the news, and as soon as the news break out, boom, one by one. I could have taken the other two, but I just got, just since I was late, and I says, well, you know what, the entries already happened, moves already happened, so just don't want to take the risk. Otherwise, I could have taken all 4, maybe 5, trades. Anyway, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.